everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of CrispMetrics. CrispMetrics is boutique online learning platform to provide in-demand skills for young students and working professionals. And I'm here to provide you the key insights towards CrispMetrics, which is online learning platform with curated quality courses to bring out tangible impact on the individual's careers with job relevant skills in emerging technologies like data science, machine learning, scrum master, full stack development, business analyst, and many more. Let me put it in this way. Do you know what are the key challenges the young students and working professionals face? Any idea? Ah, well, let's start with breaking down these key problems and how CrispMetrics is here to provide customized solutions for these problems. So first major problem is transforming technology, which is a huge challenge for the students and working professionals. Specially designed programs in line with the latest technologies and added advantage of mentorship from renowned industry experts give you all the key insights for hot technologies in the market. Second problem the current workforce have is need of better skills for being future ready. Well, as I explained, CrispMetrics is right platform for individuals to choose from our wide range of quality courses curated to provide individuals with hands-on expertise in the latest technology. With our internship program and placement assistance, we make sure that our students and learners get not only theoretical but hands-on experience as well, which makes them stand out from other candidates in the market. The third problem with young working professionals and students is time. Well, as we say, time is money. Well, it is very important and crucial to manage your time efficiently. Our programs are specially designed to give the students flexibility of learning. All our live classes takes place on weekends to accommodate our working professionals. From classes to projects to assignments and internship, everything is designed on digital platform. Being said that, since the mode of training is online and aspirant gets the flexibility to learn anything, anywhere, anytime. Our practical and applied approach helps candidate to be industry ready as soon as they complete their certification. Our vibrant community of industry experts and certified professionals are a powerful resource pool of tips and tricks, along with insightful advice. So, you will be thinking, why CrispMetrics? Well, the key reasons are reason one. We are excellent online learning providers of quality curated programs with the right balance of subject matter expertise, job relevant skills, technology, mentorship, and industrial placement. Reason two, our core values, our high excellence. Our core values of excellence throughout course support service is our major advancement. Quality content, well-designed digital learning platform, and industrial placement are the key features which make us unique in the market. These reasons, of course, come with the advantages. Well, advantage one, customized courses fit with working professionals and students. Advantage 2, hands-on experience, industry experts mentorship, specially designed to provide support for students with doubt resolution sessions. Advantage 3, cost effectiveness and long-term impact on career. Advantage 4, extended training and mentoring support for the enrolled learners and students. Finally, let us introduce the team of CrispMetrics, which make us subject matter expert in the digital technology education. Mr. Shobit Kumar, with 17 years of work expertise in the field of technology. He is VP HCL London branch. He will provide support with identifying and providing training and mentoring support to our learners. Mr. Rajit Saxena, he is Big Data Solution Architect with British Petroleum, London. with 18 plus years of expertise in the same. And he will be providing support to the learners with exclusive mentorship. Last, not the least, Mrs. Prachi Saxena, Mrs. Prachi Chaube, ex Microsoft employee, 10 plus years of expertise in the same, and key visionaries for CrispMetrics. And finally, myself, Nupur Shrivastava, one of the key visionaries on board with CrispMetrics, providing business support. So, with this, I want to conclude this session. Thank you. Thank you for listening and giving me time and patience to propose my services on behalf of CrispMetrics, and looking forward to collaborate with such a great learners and students. Thank you.